Hi, I'm Christina Robinson, and welcome to another edition of CMS Forex News. Today is Thursday, December 27, 2007. The dollar fell today after the softer durable goods orders and jobless claims figures came out. This may tilt the Fed towards lowering rates in its next meeting to help the sputtering economy. Also, geopolitical news shook Pakistan as the opposition party leader Benazir Bhutto was assassinated. The Forex market saw increased demand for the safe haven currency, the Swiss Franc, following the news. Let's take a closer look at today's fundamental releases before showing the market highlights. In Japan, housing starts continue to be dragged down from the implementation of more restrictive safety requirements. For November, housing starts were down 27% compared to last year. In the UK, home mortgage approvals edged up slightly in November, but stayed well below the 6-month average. Activity is notably lower than this time last year, with the BBA reporting a 44% decline year over year. In the U.S., durable goods posted their first positive measure in 4 months, but the 0.1% gain was much lower than forecasts of a 2% increase. There was a 24% reduction in spending on defense orders, and capital spending also declined. Orders for planes and autos did fairly well. Excluding transportation, durable orders showed a 0.7% decline. Initial jobless claims rose last week when economists predicted that they would fall. The number of people collecting unemployment benefits overall rose by 75,000 and reached the highest level since November of 2005. The data implies that the U.S. labor market is weakening. The Consumer Confidence Index, which has been declining since the summer, posted a slight increase in December. Consumers showed a slightly more optimistic outlook for the future, though their opinion of the present continues to decline. As we had mentioned yesterday, the euro-dollar pair broke out of a trading range and is having a strong week favoring the euro. Today's fundamental and political news boosted the euro to the 1.46 level, a gain of more than 160 pips from the session low. The U.S. dollar-Swiss franc pair fell around 130 pips in favor of the franc today, following the news of Benazir Bhutto's assassination. The pair has begun to turn down after meeting stiff resistance near the 1.16 level the past week. The euro-pound pair set a new record high for the 5th session in a row following the soft housing data. Skittish investors pulled their money out of the higher-yielding assets and moved them to safety. The pair is not a very volatile one, but it has gained 200 pips in the last 6 sessions in an uninterrupted uptrend. Prior to the political news, the pair was heading for a decline. Tonight we get several reports out of Japan, including Consumer Price Index, housing spending, industrial production, and ritual sales. Overnight, the UK releases a measuring of housing prices, and tomorrow morning, the US will reveal its Chicago PMI and new home sales. And that concludes our broadcast for this Thursday. Thank you for joining us, and join us again tomorrow as we wrap up the week.